Tonight, Dayton Children's Hospital reminding parents how to keep babies safe while they sleep. 9 local infants under 6 months old died last year due to unsafe sleep practices. And so far this year, we've already lost 5 more babies. Hal?
It may be that they're sleeping with an adult. It may be that they're sleeping in bed with someone. It may be that the place they're sleeping, i.e. the crib, is not really a crib, it's the sofa or a couch.
So Dayton Children's is promoting its ABC campaign. The A is for making sure babies sleep alone. B means they need to sleep on their back. And C, that's for sleeping in a safe crib.